Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HubSpot CRM pipeline stages, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate HubSpot CRM pipeline stages, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard once you're logged in. Look for the deals option in the main navigation. Click on deals to access your pipeline. Next, locate the pipeline you want to activate. If you don't see the desired pipeline, click on the drop-down menu to select another pipeline. Once you have the correct pipeline selected, look for the Edit Stages button. Click on this button to manage your stages. You will now see a list of the stages in your pipeline. To activate a stage, look for the stage you want to enable. Click on the Actions drop-down next to that stage. From the drop-down menu, select Activate. You will see a confirmation pop-up asking if you are sure you want to activate this stage. Confirm your choice to activate the stage. Now, you can rearrange the stages if needed by dragging and dropping them. Once you're satisfied with the order, make sure to save your changes. Your pipeline stages are now activated and ready for use. Check your deals to ensure the newly activated stages appear correctly. Repeat these steps for any additional pipelines you wish to activate. You have now successfully activated the pipeline stages in your HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.